My people, my brothers in Nigeria, in Akuku, I sincerely appreciate you people. This shows that you people are God sent to me. I appreciate all of you one by one. This is Ekene Delechuku, Innocent Chima. I am alive by the grace of God. What happened to me that day did not claim my life. I was alive. It's just mistake that.
Hello, it's the one and only girl every meet here. So today, which I bring come today is about our brother when they catch that time they want to kill. You people know about it, is what I bring today. You see, say that Obenge, our brother, when we say they want to kill, they want to do everything. Today they don't release am. I say make I show you some video. I say make I show you something. There are some certain things in the world wey our people dey do, African people dey do, wey be say e no good. Some people, not everyone. Some people, you will use your brother. You see that your brother come you or your brother do good, come the country win. You just want to do something bad, to just use your own brother to do bad thing. Na all these things e no good o, e no make sense. Make una dey take time, make una dey take time for all these things wey una dey do. Make you remember na God na im get power. Make you remember na God na im get everything. Make una dey take am suffer dey find this money o. This money we go carry am o, we no go carry am go now. We go leave am for this world. Abeg, if you dey do all those things wey you dey do, all these things no dey carry your own brother go sell for people, go sell for people make dem do am bad. E no make sense na. Make we dey take am easy, make we dey take am easy dey find this money, make we dey take am easy dey watch all this money. Make we take am how person go carry im own brother, go donate make dem finish am, make dem use am. Make una take am suffer dey do am. Make una take am jeje dey find this money. Make una take am suffer dey do the things wey una dey do. E too much. You go carry your own brother go donate make dem do money, make e sell am use collect money. All those things no make sense. All this money no be me talk am o, but na wetin I see for onyonyo, na wetin I see for television, na wetin I see for news. So na I say make I tell una, all those things no make sense. But Chineke nke bi n'eluigwe, God that we serve, making everything possible for us and make it possible to the guy to return back. You people watch all the whole video. I know I don post the video in my platform, but today I say make I post the video make una see wetin happen. Make una see as the guy dey thank una, make una dey see as the guy dey praise una, make una dey see as the guy tell una say make una thank everybody that help him, everybody that support. Dey thank everybody. Make una take am easy, our brothers wey dey abroad. Make una dey take am easy, make una dey take am easy dey use una brother. Make una take am easy dey do things wey una say you go use your brother, you say your brother because of money. This money we no go carry am go. Na this world we go still live am. This money na paper, we go still live am for this world, we go still live am. So make una dey take am easy, make una dey take am easy for all these things wey una dey do wey no suppose to do. No be me talk am, but wetin I see na me I say make I explain to una. All those things no make sense. All those things wey we dey do, all those things wey we dey buy, all those kind wey we dey behave, all those things no make sense. If you see your brother, treat your brother well. If your brother come for the country, treat am well. Make we no dey use jealousy, make we no dey use greedy, make we no dey use heaviness, make we no dey use bad mind to at ten d to our brother. All those things no good. All those things no good. This money dey for this world before we come. We go still leave this money and go. Abeg, my brothers, make we change. Make we change for all this kind thing wey we dey do, because the thing dey touch me. You cannot use your brother and do collateral for someone. All those things no good. All those life no good. If you are doing that, you have to change, because those kind of life e dey bring problem for family. E dey bring problem. E dey bring hatred. E dey bring many things. E dey bring problem. E dey bring fight. Make we dey change. Make we dey know say the things wey we dey do we no suppose to do am. The things wey we dey behave we no suppose to behave like that. Abeg, na say make I beg una, make una change. Na say make I beg una, make una repent. Na say make I beg una, abeg. If you dey do all those kind life, abeg make you change. If you do all those things, make una change. Abeg, my brothers, I dey beg God, beg una, make una repent. Anybody wey dey do all those things, anybody wey dey behave like this, abeg, make una repent. I say make I show una some video, make una see the video. Abeg, no be me talk am, but I say make I show una, make una see am. My brothers, God bless you as you watch am. Make you drop your comment o. I dey watch am, as you dey watch am, I go show una right now. Make una see the video.
My people, my brothers in Nigeria, in Akuku, I sincerely appreciate you people. This shows that you people are God sent to me. I appreciate all of you one by one. This is Ekene Delichuku, Innocent Chima. I am alive by the grace of God. What happened to me that day did not claim my life. I was alive. It's just mistake that I hear his voice there. This God in heaven will never forget you people. That gathering that I see Chief there, and I see Chinedu there, and I see Cosmas, and I see Dede. Let me start with Chief. Chief, as you are hearing this thing, God will bless you. Anywhere you go, if God forgets to bless you, know that I'm not serving God. Chinedu, my cousin, God will bless you. Just mistake that I did to come for Andrew as a guarantor. I never knew that it's going to be like this. But my boss, the Alhaji that I come to in his place, he's a good man. Let's face the reality. It's just that he is looking for his money. I cannot blame him. But the truth about it, my people, is that I'm alive. I appreciate all of you. And I hear what you people say, that you people are trying to gather the money. God will bless anybody.
Yes, so everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for the watch, everything that you guys are doing. Thank you, everything you guys are doing. I appreciate you guys. I thank you so much. I thank you so much, guys. I thank you for you see wetin I dey show now. When I don't see wetin I dey show now, when I don't see everything. When I don't see as everything take happen. When I don't see as everything take go. When I don't see as everything take go alright. When I don't see everything that happened for the first video, when I see everything. I didn't post it for my own channel, but this second one I said let me just show you guys. You can dey see wetin dey happen. You can see as a brother dey sell a brother. You can see as a brother dey sell a brother. Someone that come abroad to go for money. Someone that come abroad to stay. Someone that come abroad to hustle. Someone that come abroad. Instead that you support your brother, you are making everything to be brother to be. You want to sell your brother. I don't know what this word they turn into. I don't know what this word they turn into. This word they turn another thing. Guys, more than they take and miss, they find this money. Look at they take and suffer, they find this money. Look at they take and miss. This money come. This money day before come. And so you go still day go. This money na suffer and they take and miss. Look at they take and miss, they find the money. Your own brother, you want to sell her. Your own brother, you leave her as a brother, you go. Wait till they bring all those kind of things. There's some certain character we need to change. There's some certain things we need to change in life. Something that is not good is not good. You don't need to say that because you're looking for money, this rate of money, this money will they find. My brother, you go carry on work. If they give you all this money, wait till you use them to. If you they find this money, one they get conscience. If you they look for this money, one they take an easy. If you they find this money, one they can suffer. This money, you see I'm here. And so we still live and go. When we say we go slay your brother, when we say we do wicked, when we say we come to do evil for your brother, after I go say we go become brother. I don't like all those things. Those things they make shame, they bring shame for us. This thing they bring a lot of things in the community. This thing they bring a lot of things in the world. It's not good to be doing all those things. They will look at everybody, they will say everybody's not. Why you say everybody's not the same? Not everybody will do all these things. But you guys character they show many things. Me I don't tire. I say make I break camp for pidgin, make una dey hear. Nah, the thing they vex me. They vex me well. Because all those things, we no need to dey watch all those kind of things. We no need to dey talk all those kind of things. We no need to dey tell you know what is good and you know what is bad. Don't be doing something bad for your brother. And your brother, treat your brother well. Treat your brother well. Una no see as you take watch the video. Look na see it. Una no see everything as una take watch the video. I say no na see. Yes, my people, una don see the video. Una don see as our brother return back, as our brother come back, as our brother dey thank una, dey thank una for wetin God do for am, dey greet everybody wey support for him dis thing, dey thank everybody, dey thank everybody. God go bless una, God go bless una. But our brothers, make we change, make we touch our heart, make we know all those places wey obi medicine aba no more. All those places wey something dey enter for something to enter from inside water, make we change all those kind of character, because it's not good to use your brother to do collateral. It's not good to take your brother that come from Africa to stay abroad and come and use it to do something bad. Abeg, make we dey change, make we dey change all these things, make we dey change, make we dey change, because this money wey we dey find, we go still leave am. This money we see am for this world, we go still leave am go. Guys, abeg, make we dey change. I no dey like all these things wey we dey see, all those things wey dey happen, I no dey like. Una don see the video, una don see wetin happen for the video wey the boy dey greet una, wey the boy dey say una thank you, wey the guy dey tell everybody thank you for everything, your support and everything. Thank you for the happiness you people show am, thank you for the love you people show am. Una don see wetin the guy talk. God go bless una. God, thank you, thank God. We sef we thank God for everything to keep him alive. Everybody have to use him brain. Have to gain sense. Everybody to know what is good. You don't have to wicked your brother. You don't have to sell your brother. You don't have to do wickedness. Wickedness, I don't know. Some people are very wicked. I don't know the kind of heart they have. I don't know the kind of hatred they hate their brother. I don't know the kind of bad mind they have. You have to change. If you are doing all these things, if you are selling your brother, if you're in abroad living a bad life, showing your brother bad life, please change it. When you see somebody that come you, please take that person like your brother. Take that, even though you don't know that person, treat am well. Treat that person well, so the person will appreciate you. Even though you don't appreciate you, God will appreciate you. Guys, stop treating new people bad. Stop treating people bad. Stop using your brothers as you dey abroad. If your guy, you want to show your power, abeg, make una dey take am suffer. Dey find this money dey before we come, and so we still leave am. Abeg, I say na wetin I say make I drop una. I don see video. Thank you for watching this video. Drop your comment. It's your AB, your nwanne AB Media. Drop your comment. I go dey bring better things for you guys. I go dey bring am small for you guys. Make una dey see, make una dey watch, make una dey drop una comment. God go bless una, God go keep una. More blessing to you, my brothers, my sisters. More blessing to you. Drop your comment down below. God bless.